హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు శ్రావణ హెల్త్ టిప్స్. నేను మీ శ్రావణి. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి టీత్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మరి ముఖ్యంగా చిన్నపిల్లల్లో టీత్ అనేది చాలా ముఖ్యమైన దశ. చిన్నపిల్లలకి ఎలా బ్రష్ చేసుకోవాలి, పళ్ళని ఎలా కాపాడుకోవాలి అనేది తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఈరోజు లా డెంటల్ వర్క్షాప్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. దీని గురించి మనం వివరంగా తెలుసుకోవడానికి డాక్టర్ దీప్తి గారితో ఉన్నాము. మరిన్ని విశేషాలని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం.
Good morning everyone. A warm welcome to our little champs and lovely teachers who have joined us here today. I'm Dr. Deepti Dadirao, periodontist and implantologist, Lardent Deepti's Gum and Dental Clinic. I'm so happy to see such bright and smiling faces here, and today we are here to learn to keep those smiles healthy and shining forever. So this is a dental workshop specifically designed for you kids to make you learn, understand the importance of oral hygiene in a fun and simple way. I'll be talking about brushing, flossing and foods that are good and bad for your teeth, and also some habits that need to be avoided, like eating too many chocolates without brushing. So kids, I have designed this workshop to specifically make you understand the importance of hygiene, dental hygiene, in a fun and simple way. I'll be talking about brushing and flossing and also habits that are to be avoided, like eating chocolates without brushing, and also foods that are good and bad for your teeth. We'll be talking in detail about all these today. We have also some fun activities planned for today. I'll be, since your parents are not here, I request the teachers to distribute these dental workshop vouchers. This is for you kids, this voucher, wherein it includes a coloring session for you, the Lardent Dental logo to be colored by you people at home, and also you have a fun quiz as well, and also preventive tips that need to be followed at home. And apart from this, we'll be giving you a worksheet to keep a track of your oral health at home. This form needs to be filled by your parents at home and needs to be submitted in your school the next day. Kids, remember, dental health is not always about teeth. It is about building habits that last a lifetime. So let's make this workshop more interactive, enjoyable, and full of learning. Thank you once again for being here. Let's get started on our journey to strong teeth and happy smiles. We are at a dental clinic. Very good. What do you know about your teeth? Huh? How many teeth do you have? 10. So which color are your teeth? Black. Black? Do you have black teeth?
Black teeth. White teeth. White color teeth.
So I am Dr. Deepti Dadirao. Okay, I am a dentist at Lardent Dental Clinic. We are all here today at Lardent Dental Clinic. We have gathered here for a workshop. Okay. So how many times do you brush your teeth daily? How many times? Once, twice, thrice, or do not brush at all? Tell me. Do you brush at all? Do you brush? Very good. How many times do you brush? How many times do you brush? Every morning do you brush? Okay, very good. Before sleeping do you brush? Just show your thumbs up like this. Do you brush before sleeping? How many of you? If you brush in the night, just show your thumbs up like this. Okay. Do you eat chocolates daily? So, what does a dentist do? Clean your teeth. Very good. Is it okay to skip brushing sometimes? No. You're supposed to brush twice daily. Once in the morning and before going to bed. Okay. So, do you drink plenty of water? Do you carry your water bottles daily? Okay. Can somebody show me how do you brush your teeth? Any one of you? Come here. Come here. Stand here. So how do you brush? How do you brush? Show me. Circles. Very good. So your friend is showing you all how to brush her teeth like this in a circular way. Always. Okay. Just for how much time do you brush? 1 minute. All of you say 1 minute. 1 to 2 minutes. How much paste do you take? Little. Not much. Little paste. And you have to brush gently. Okay. Like this. Circle in a circle way. And you have to brush all the surfaces. Inside, outside. Okay. Like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Is it interesting to brush in the morning? Do you rinse your mouth after eating? With what? With plain water.
No, water.
Ah, yes, with plain water. You put some water inside your mouth and you do? How do you? Ah. Yeah. How many chocolates do you eat daily?
No.
No chocolates at all.
Happy birthday chocolates in there.
Huh?
Happy birthday.
Only on her birthday she eats chocolates. That's really great.
Yes.
Clap to her, clap to her. Clap to her. Yeah, that's good.
So all of you, do you eat junk food? Chips? Chocolates? No. Yeah, very good.
Banana ఇంకా కొయ్యాలి.
Banana and?
Banana
Ah,
ఇంకా కొయ్యాలి.
Vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are also good for your teeth. Healthy food, okay, makes your teeth strong. Okay. Okay. Brush twice daily. Drink plenty of water. And don't eat junk food. Okay. This is white. Okay. Your teeth have to be white in color. Yes. Okay. Black color means there are bugs inside your teeth. Okay. So you have to visit a dentist if there are bugs. The dentist will remove the bugs and clean the teeth. Okay. Yeah. Please come. I'll make you sit in the dental chair. One of you can come. Who can answer my questions? This is the magic dental chair which gives superpowers to your teeth. Okay. It goes up. Wait. It goes up like this. Okay. And it goes down. Okay. And you can lean back and also come forward. So it's like a ride. Sometimes you feel you're going on a ride. Okay. How do you feel? Tell me. How are you feeling? It's going down. It's going. What do we do in the dental chair? Yeah, the magic chair which gives you superpowers. You will feel like a superhero bed. This is like a superhero bed. Okay. And what does the dentist do when you sit in the magic chair? No. First they count. We use a tiny little instrument, mirror. Okay. To check all your teeth. Okay. And also count the number of teeth to see if your teeth are clean and shiny and strong. Okay. And then after counting and cleaning the teeth, we also take some pictures. Okay. So with which we can see the inside of the tooth. These are the special pictures that the dentist takes. Okay, and they don't hurt at all. Okay, and these pictures will be shown to you also. They are like special dental pictures. Okay, and then we use a little tiny little instrument to clean your teeth. It spins around your teeth and cleans the teeth. Okay, you'll hear those funny noises is when it runs. Okay, and sometimes kids like you say it tickles. Okay, and you giggle. Okay, and then we have if you have bugs inside your tooth, okay, we clean it and fix it. Okay, so you don't have to worry much about all this. If you need a break, you can raise your hand and the dentist stops the treatment. Okay, so this is the magic dental chair. All of you remember, this is the magic dental chair where your teeth gets the superpowers. Okay, okay, all of you understood? If you come to the dentist on time, there will be no pain in future. Okay, you can avoid pain, then you will be pain free. Okay.
Thank you చెప్పండి. Thank you, ma'am. Say all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good.
Yeah, welcome all of you. Have a good day.
Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Say all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you. Smile, say geez.
Nice teeth.
The colors that you're seeing here, the same has to be colored here. Whoever colors this will get some exciting coupons. Okay, and this is a fun quiz also. Okay, and this is the worksheet form which needs to be filled by your parents at home and submitted in your school the next day. Okay, so be careful with these forms. It will be distributed by your teacher. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
వర్క్షాప్ ఎలా జరుగుతుందో చూసారు కదండి. మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ శ్రావణ హెల్త్ టిప్స్. ప్లీజ్ ఫాలో ఇన్స్టా అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్ ఆల్సో. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ శ్రావణ హెల్త్ టిప్స్.